So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about HTML entities. There are many characters commonly used. So we use this as an example or most commonly used in entities. Okay. So let's see our output. As you can see, yeah. As you can see, I write down our H2 tag. Hello, welcome back. Like, share, and subscribe. Less than, greater than sign. So entities. So some characters are reserved in HTML. So let's start with our first. Okay, as you can see, I write down our hello, welcome back, less than sign, like, share, and subscribe. But if you want space here, this, then you just need to simply write here at the rate NBSP semicolon, then save. As you can see that there's a space here. If you write down just like this one, more, more and more, then save as you can see. So that's for your NBSP to space. Space in the same line, not in the another new line. Okay, so that's why we use most commonly use this NBSP. Okay, now let's move forward to our useful entities we use. As you can see that I write down here less than sign. But why? Because less than sign is shows a tags molecule. Because browser can think this is the tags. Okay, that's why we need to use here. Entities are used in two different ways. Okay, so let's just write here. Here, okay, let's write down here. This can be used as a word, as a name. Okay, as you can see, I write down this one, and it's also as a entity number. This one is name, and let's write down our as a number. So hashtag 60 I write. So that's for the sign our less than. So okay, this is for entity name, and this is our entity number. Okay, in number we use hashtag, in name we use only entity. So let's just copy, cut this, and paste this here in my less than sign and save. As you can see, double less than sign because we write both. Okay, let's just cut this and then save. As you can see, there's only one. You can use as a name entity or as a number. Okay, let's just save. Okay, as you can see, you can write as a number or as a name. Okay, now let's write down our greater than sign. For greater than, as you can see, we use less than for empty, so it's obviously for greater than to CD, then space. As you can see, why we use, because uh, if we write in here less than sign, then browser can think this is a tags attributes. That's why we write here our entity name and entity number. You can also write for this greater than sign. For number is 62. Okay, then this semicolon, as you can see. Now let's use ampersand for end sign. For that we need to use AMP, then save. As you can see, you can also write that in a number. Okay, for amper we use 38 number. Okay, now let's use yen size. Okay, for yen you just need to write down here at the rate end, sorry, not at the rate end, then save. As you can see, you can also write that number for yen is 165 semicolon, then save. As you can see, now let's move forward to our pound. So for pound, we just need to write down here pound, then save. As you can see, one number we just need to write like this 163, then save. Okay, as you can see. And if you want to register trademark sign, then you just need to write down @reg. As you can see, our registered trademark here. Write down our number 174. Then save. As you can see, that's for your entity name, entity number. This is for our space NBSP. Okay, this is also an entity. Okay, so that's for your. You can also write that as a. Let's write down here as a number. Okay, and hashtag 160. As you can see, there's a space. Let's just clear this one. Then save. As you can see, there's a space here. So that's for your number and our name. Okay. Now we are gonna combining directional marks. Okay. We are now gonna combining the directional marks. So let's just write down more here. Add to tag. Okay. So let's write down here like. Okay. I write down just simple like. Then save. As you can see, like is added now. Then let's add here our decretal marks. Okay. So for that we need to write down here @hashtag 76 for the upper. Okay. The diacritical marks can appear both above and below character, inside a character, or between two letters. Okay. As you can see, if we want to use upper letter, then we need to write down here as in this one and give them the semicolon, then save. As you can see, our E. Okay. As you can see, our E. Okay. Now then let's move forward to our. Let's just copy this one, then paste it here. Then if you want to change this down or change the size of these upper letter, then you just need to write down here 9. Then save. As you can see, this sign is changed. As you can see, it's in left side right now, upper. Now let's use double. Let's save. As you can see, sorry, as you can see, as you can see, this is the difference right, left, and upper. Then let's write down more here also. Let's write down here 70, then space. This is for our 70. And also write down here 771. Then save. As you can see, so that's the decremental marks. You can also write that these tags in also in between two letters. Okay, so let's write down here and then this one, then save. As you can see, is in I mode right now. As you can see, this is between the two letters. Okay, so that's for the our combining the decremental marks. and also our entity names and entity numbers. So that's for you all today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And write down your email ID in comment section for the source code. Bye.